Hi everyone, welcome to Simply Grace Lifestyle. Okay, now in this video, I'm going to show you how to make stir fry with broccoli and steamed rice. So come out with me, guys. Now, normally my house seasoning is salt, pepper, garlic, and oregano or Italian seasoning. Anything else you can go ahead and add or just adjust your seasoning how you like it. Now, I haven't made this for my son in a while because he didn't really want to eat some beef, but I am so happy we're having some beef and broccoli today. So we're going to add that in there, salt, pepper, garlic, oregano. We're going to add some olive oil. We're going to add some chopped onions. And then we're going to go ahead and stir fry that. And we'll be adding some stock. So this is going to taste amazing. So now, if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video and I hope that you stay and subscribe. Now remember that every time you click the like button and you full watch a video, even share the video, this helps us to grow. And commenting below just lets us know how we're enjoying the video. Now this video is part of a collaboration called Quick and Easy Meals, and this is being hosted by Jean Home Decor and more, Deborah Cabasa Home Living, and myself, Simply Grace Lifestyle. If you guys haven't been over to these ladies' channels, I'm shouting them out right now. That's Jean Home Decor and more, and Deborah Cabasa Home Living. These ladies are like excellent in the kitchen with their recipes. They're very good. Their recipes look so good, guys. And then the tablescapes and just overall, they just love to be in the kitchen. They love cooking. I'm learning a lot from them. Like today, I am steaming some rice for this beef and broccoli, and I'm going to follow what Deborah does with the rice because I'm so tired of mushy rice. And she just adds a little bit of water, and you can add as you need it versus overwatering, and then it comes out mushy. Remember to head on over to their channels. Tell them that I sent you. You will not be disappointed. make sure you click the like button, subscribe to their channels, and comment something encouraging and uplifting, because we here do things positive. Now, I'm going to start posting the thumbnail or the collaboration flyer for Quick and Easy Meals. And anyone who wants to join this collaboration on a weekly basis, we cook every day. So it's best to film it and just go ahead and put it in the playlist. I would love to have you. So all you have to do is send me a message, and I'll be more than happy to add you to the collab. Okay, so here you're gonna see, I went over to the sink and I added water like I normally do when I cause a disaster with the rice. And you're gonna see me pour out some of that water, if I'm not already doing that, and come back and put just enough water. You wanna like almost underwater, and then add water as you need it, okay? We don't want the rice raw, but we don't want it mushy either. Okay, so we are stirring. We did put some chicken broth inside of this pot. We sauteed the beef, and we don't want to add the broccoli too early because we don't want that to like break apart. So I have a tendency on adding that on right when that beef is almost done. We're gonna go ahead and add some the broccoli, some chicken broth, and then we're just gonna cover it and let that steam through until that beef is nice and tender and the rice is already steamed. I'll probably lower the heat to the beef and broccoli, and then we'll go over and keep checking on the rice. Now, I know that when I say beef and broccoli, people think it's automatically like stir fry type thing. Because of the cut of the meat, I need it to be tender. So I'm steaming it through and then I'll take the top off. Now, to me, everything is done, so I think it's time to serve. Let's head on over to the reveal. So I do want to take a moment and thank Deborah Cabasa, Home Living, and Jean Home Decor and more for hosting this collaboration with me. I really enjoy having them, and we really enjoy cooking. So, and I'm learning. If you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. I think I did a pretty good job here. This tastes absolutely amazing.